So these are the 5 vowels like A, E, I, O, U. So A sounds A, E sounds A, I sounds E, O sounds O, U sounds A. We have already completed many A words. So now in this video we are going to revise again A words. So now this is a B, A, T, bat. K, A, T, cat. H, A, T, hat. M, A, T, mat. R, A, T, rat. P, A, T, pat. S, A, T, sat. V, A, T, vat. F, A, T, fat. In this video I have included one new words, E-A-T, it. Now K, A, N, can. F, A, N, fan. M, A, N, man. P, A, N, pan. V, A, N, van. B, A, N, ban. R, A, N, ran. T, A, N, tan. D, A, D, dad. L, A, D, lad. P, A, D, pad. S, A, D, sad. B, A, D, bad. H, A, D, had. M, A, D, mad. F, A, D, fad. K, A, P, cap. G, A, P, gap. M, A, P, map. N, A, P, nap. T, A, P, tap. L, A, P, lap. R, A, P, rap. S, A, P, sap. Y, A, P, yap. B, A, G, bag. R, A, G, rag. S, A, G, sag. T, A, G, tag. V, A, G, wag. G, A, G, gag. L, A, G, lag. N, A, G, nag. H, A, G, hag. So almost we have completed many important A words. So from next video we will try to learn E words.